Right, let's talk about Idalina, which is another capoeira regional rhythm created by Mestre Bimba, I believe. What is the bass rhythm of Idalina? Who knows? Different capoeira master plays it differently, but the melody is always there. So let me show you the template first that we're gonna build on. You can hear there's a lot of gap in this rhythm. Of course, we're gonna fill the gap, but not all of them. This rhythm is actually using capoeira regional rodas to encourage players to play a bit more expressive, a little bit more maybe chilled game. Let's fill those gaps with some chaidos. So all of those could be actually the bass rhythm, all of them. You decide actually, or speak to your master or to your teacher and ask them which one is correct. I don't think neither is correct. Different capoeira master is gonna play differently and everyone has their own preference as long as the melody is there. What is my preferred way to play the bass Idalina? Of course, whoever you're gonna ever ask how to play the bass rhythm of Idalina, no one is gonna show it to you. Everyone's just gonna show you the first maybe phrase and then add some repiques. So let's work on some repiques. Similarly to Amazonas and Cavalleria, to play this rhythm, you need to put everything together. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's have some fun. So much fun. This is so much fun. Oh my goodness, can't believe how much fun this is. This is so much fun. Oh. That's your Idalina. I've never heard this rhythm played ever in my life in any capoeira roda, but my background is no capoeira regional. I guess whoever watches this video and you're part of capoeira regional, you maybe heard this, you actually maybe played capoeira with this rhythm. Please let me know, because that would be interesting to hear. Apart from that, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.